guys, a girl Jules here today. Why did I say that? Hey guys, it's your girl Jules here today. Today we're gonna do a video I see that's been a little bit of a light on my channel and basically what's on my recommended, so I'm like, why not? And it's basically the unpopular opinion thing. I don't know if it's a challenge, I don't know if it's a thing, whatever. It's an unpopular opinion, and I'm gonna say a couple of unpopular opinions from my perspective because it's my perspective and this is my channel. But yeah, if you do, want to see more videos, so subscribe down there, and if you want to, you can, hit the bell button to be notified whenever I post videos. And especially, Fridays is, my conspiracy theory show, and a lot of you have been liking it because I did a post, well, it's a poll on Instagram, and a lot of you have been loving it, so check that out. I'm really weird today. Like, I'm really tired. I literally haven't slept in 2 days. Literally. So one unpopular opinion is drowning is like the worst way to effing die. Like, I can see a movie and somebody drowns, I'm literally 2 seconds just ball out crying. Cause I don't know. I just think drowning as a death thing is really very, very creepy. I don't know, there's just something about it that I'm like, it's the worst death you can ever possibly have. Ever. Second one is basically books are best than the movie, are better than the movie. And yes, they're better than the movie, mainly because I believe it shows more action and your imagination just runs wild. While in the movie, you see a visual presentation of it, and it's sometimes you don't you're not into it because your imagination took a little bit of a wild turn when you was reading the book, and it has more action and details than the movie. Hence Twilight. No shade. Starbucks could be overpriced, but that shit is hella fucking good. If you haven't drank Starbucks, and if you haven't drank Starbucks, are you living under a rock? I love Starbucks. I love their they have this little pumpkin thing. Forgot the name of it. Delicious, but it's overpriced. Why would I buy $4 as a little cup? I don't know. But it's so fucking good. Don't get me wrong, Dunkin' Donuts is the best too, with the caramel. Oh, but Starbucks just takes the cake. Okay, this one is basically I think everyone should be doing and should know how to do. Everyone should learn how to fucking cook. Don't expect nowadays to have a girl cook for you. You better freaking go on Food Network and start, looking up recipes. Search doing stuff for your food, because everyone should know how to cook, especially if you want to survive and not pay a lot of money for Postmates and Grubhub and Seamless and DoorDash and all these food delivery websites. Y'all better get your asses to cooking, because it's so easy and simple. It's just some people don't know how to do it. But if you listen to the instructions or recipes, you're probably gonna get it. So everybody should learn how to cook. Listen, I don't mean no tea, no shade, but brown is the best color. All the types of brown, the nude, the dark brown, light brown. If you see my aesthetic on my Instagram, they have the nude brown, the light brown, all types of browns. That is the most beautiful color for me. I love it. I just beyond love it. If you don't, comment below. Let me know what's your favorite color, because I want to know what your favorite color is. Why do I sound like I went from Staten Island to New York all of a sudden, and then I don't get it. A lot of people do not want to admit, but Halloween is the best effing holiday ever, because you can be who you want to be, and you know, if you want to be in your own skin, you know, you can do that too. But you know, I see my skin every day of the year. But you can become whoever you want. You can do Jason, Freddy, cats, whatever you prefer. Halloween is something you know, you probably have a dark side, so you can do a dark side, you know, for Halloween. Halloween is just amazing and creepy. I just love it. I fell in love with Halloween since I was little. Coffee and tea are like my drug. I can't have caffeine, but I do decaf sometimes. Like decaf is fine, but they're basically my drugs. I don't know why and when or how I became addicted to this, but me having tea and coffee in the morning is a motherfucking must. Like, is a must in my life. My final opinion: everyone should at least read a book in their lifetime. And then if you didn't read a book in your lifetime, you better start reading a book. Especially Finding Alaska. That book is amazing. Or Milk and Honey. It's like a poetry book, but you know, it's, you know, it shows you images and you could, you know, imagine a lot of stuff. And it's very personal to the author. So, read a book before you die, because, ow, wow, I really hurt my, shit hurt. Freaking table. But yeah, you should read a book before you even die. Like, you should even read, and I'm not saying read a book when you're in school and reading your textbooks. No, read an actual book, like a novel with chapters in it, you know. Oh, it'll change your world. Like, it will blow your mind. Yeah, guys, these are my unpopular opinions, you know. If I seem a little bit down, I'm just so tired. I should have had coffee before this, because it's literally, what time is it? It's 8:34, and a bitch be asleep by 6 because she gotta wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning. I'll do a story time why I have to, you know, wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning. Don't worry, I'll let you guys know on the tea. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to go in the description below and get my Instagram, my Twitter, and my Tumblr. I do Tumblr sometimes, but you know, I answer some of you questions sometimes on Tumblr. But yeah, go on my Instagram, my Twitter, and you know what you do. Just follow me. I will follow back because I'm a real one. And oh yeah, I gotta do the post notification shout out today. So post notification shout out goes to Jasmine Anderson to being the first one to actually, you know, comment on my last video. I'm gonna do like little tiny different rules for the post notification. So it's either you can subscribe, comment, hit the bell button, or you can, you know, comment on my video, be the first one to comment, and whoever I pin on the comment will get the post notification shout out. So yeah, guys, go, you know, subscribe to Jasmine Anderson's Instagram and also YouTube channel. She's amazing. She's hella funny. So you go description below, or I'm gonna put her little thing right over here. And yeah, guys, I see you next time, and probably there's gonna be a big announcement coming soon, so stay tuned for that. Bye, guys.